Welcome to the fascinating realm of origami, the ancient art of paper folding. Today, we're going to uncover 40 mind-blowing facts that will reshape your understanding of this incredible craft.
Did you know that origami dates back to the 6th century? It originated in Japan and has evolved into a symbol of culture and tradition. Origami isn't just art, it's also a powerful teaching tool in mathematics, helping to visualize concepts such as geometry and spatial reasoning.
One of the earliest uses of origami was in religious ceremonies. Paper dolls, known as Shinto, were folded for blessings.
In the 1950s, Akira Yoshizawa played a pivotal role in popularizing origami worldwide, developing a system of symbols to represent folds.
There are thousands of origami models, from simple cranes to complex geometrical shapes, showcasing the vast potential of folding paper.
The famous origami crane is said to grant one wish if you fold 1,000 of them. This ancient belief symbolizes hope and healing. Origami isn't limited to paper. Pioneers have started to create 3D shapes with materials like metal and plastic, expanding the art form's boundaries.
In scientific fields, origami principles are applied in designing foldable structures for satellites and even space exploration.
Engineers use origami design to create self-folding robots, harnessing the mechanics of paper folding for innovation.
Origami artists often use exact math ratios to achieve crisp folds, blending art with science seamlessly.
Moreover, origami serves therapeutic purposes. Folded techniques can improve fine motor skills and reduce stress. Different cultures have their own unique folding styles. For example, the Chinese make beautiful paper dragons, while the Japanese favor delicate flowers.
The term origami itself is derived from the Japanese words oru, to fold, and kami, paper.
Some origami masters create intricate designs with simple paper squares, proving that complexity can emerge from simplicity.
Modern origami has spurred a new movement, with artists using technology and computer algorithms to design intricate models. A fascinating fact: a single sheet of paper can be folded a maximum of 7 times. This is due to geometric limitations.
Two main styles exist in origami: traditional and contemporary. Traditional pieces often follow historical patterns, while contemporary designs push creative boundaries.
Origami festivals are held around the world, bringing enthusiasts together to celebrate and share their folding techniques.
Events like the Origami USA Convention help to educate the public about this beautiful art form while also celebrating its cultural heritage.
In Japan, origami is used for educational purposes in schools, aiding in teaching geometry and enhancing creativity in children.
Some origami artists have developed models inspired by nature, reflecting the harmony between nature and art.
In 2011, researchers discovered ways to fold paper in ways that allow it to expand and contract, mimicking some biological systems.
Origami inspired the folding patterns used in DNA, where the double helix structure is a natural example of folding in biology.
In 1999, a groundbreaking project named Origami in the Classroom was initiated to incorporate origami into math curricula. Furthermore, origami has proven beneficial in developing problem-solving skills, encouraging patience and precision in practitioners.
The art of origami isn't limited to individual artists. Collaborative works often lead to breathtaking designs crafted by groups.
Ever heard of origamic architecture? This secretive design technique combines architecture with paper folding, creating stunning paper sculptures.
Some origami creations can be surprisingly functional, with artists designing wallets, bags, and even clothing from folded paper.
Famous origami competitions showcase works from around the globe, highlighting the creative expressions of this beautiful art. Now let's talk about technology. Computer algorithms can solve complex origami folds in seconds, showcasing the intersection of art and programming.
It's fascinating to know that origami can be traced as far back as Europe in the 13th century, showing its universal appeal. The complexity of origami art can be mathematically expressed through algorithms and graph theory, bridging the gap between art and science. Another wild concept, origami has even been utilized in architecture, helping designs that can change shape in response to environmental factors. Through the centuries, origami has been both a form of communication and artistic expression, tightly woven into various cultural narratives.
Finally, hold on for this mind-blowing fact. Researchers once folded a single sheet of paper into a cube, revealing the potential for creating entire structures through folds. Thank you for joining us in exploring the incredible world of origami. We hope these facts inspire you to fold some paper today.